Guys, I will show you how to buy from Target app or how to buy on Target. So just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Target like this, and right now I will search, for example, for something that I wanna buy. For example, pin, and I will look for it. For example, I want this. I will click add to cart. Click add to cart. For example, this. And right now, after that, after I choose my item, I will go to cart. I will choose the item that I want to buy, this. And after that, for example, I don't want to buy this, I will just remove it and I will just keep this. I will click checkout and it will take me to this page. And I will add my credit or debit card or gift card, whatever I want to add. I will click here. Also, you can add your PayPal. So then when you add your card, click place your order here on payment. For example, add a payment card, you have to confirm the information, then click place order, and that's all, guys. You have to finish the other step. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.